Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into everyday makeup. Looks that highlight your true, natural beauty. We all want to look and feel our best. But sometimes heavy makeup hides the real you. Let's explore some simple techniques to enhance your features without masking them. First, the no makeup look. It's about enhancing your skin while keeping it fresh. Start with a light, hydrating moisturizer. Next, apply a tinted moisturizer or light coverage foundation. The key is to even out your skin tone, not cover it completely. Use concealer sparingly to cover blemishes or dark circles. Set everything with translucent powder. For your eyes, keep it simple. Mascara is your best friend. Curl your lashes, then apply 1 or 2 coats. For more definition, use a neutral eyeshadow, like light brown or beige, all over your lid. Blend well. For your cheeks, a cream blush in a natural shade works wonders. Apply it to the apples of your cheeks and blend upwards. This gives a healthy glow. A subtle bronzer can add warmth and definition to your face. Applied lightly along your cheekbones. For your lips, choose a tinted lip balm, or a lip color that matches your natural lip shade. This enhances your lips without being overpowering. You can also use a lip liner to define your lip shape before applying lip balm or color. Now, the effortless glow look. This is about creating a radiant complexion. Start with a hydrating, glow-boosting primer. Then, use a dewy finish foundation. Add liquid highlighter to the high points of your face, cheekbones, brow bone, and nose bridge. Blend it well for a seamless glow. On your eyes, a shimmery eyeshadow on the lids brightens them up. Use a brown eyeliner, smudged for a softer look. Finish with mascara. For your cheeks, choose a blush with shimmer. For your lips, a gloss or nude lipstick completes the look. Finally, the elevated natural look. This is for when you want more definition but still want to keep it natural. Start with medium coverage foundation. Use concealer to brighten the under eye area. For your eyes, a light to medium brown eyeshadow in the crease and a darker shade on the outer corner will add dimension. Add a thin eyeliner line. For your cheeks, use a complementary blush, and contour lightly if you like. On your lips, a slightly bolder lipstick, like rose or berry, can elevate your look. Remember, blending is key to make your makeup look seamless and natural. Take your time and blend each product carefully. Don't be afraid to experiment to find what works best for you. Makeup is about enhancing your natural beauty. Focus on your best features and feel confident in your own skin. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.